Even flowers can be kept in the fridge. They'll stay fresh for longer. A little cinnamon in flower pots will keep insects away from the plants. A hack for safely transporting pastries in your car. Shake-proof. Can't get a key on the keyring? Try using a straw. Easy. Pour wine like a pro by using this hack. Give it a try. Like this, the fruit gets warm almost immediately. Check out this hack to keep fruit cold when taken out of the fridge. Clever! Here's a way to keep your recipe book in front of you while you're cooking. You can turn any plastic lid into a handy dispensing nozzle. This makes it easier to pour the right amount of oil. Did you know that this is not the correct way to position a travel pillow? This way, it's much more comfortable when you take a nap. To save space in your closet, you just need some zip ties. Now, you can hang your hangers beneath each other. A makeup blending sponge should be washed regularly. Microwave it to remove any traces of makeup, germs, and bacteria. As good as new.